Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel. I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll talk about top 5 video applications which are totally free and you can edit your videos without watermark. Before moving further, we would like to mention one thing. We are not affiliated with any of these applications. We are just using these applications day to day. That's why we are going to prepare this video. So the first application is Video Leap. You can download and install this application from App Store. After opening the application, you just have to click on this plus tab and you have to allow this application to access your photos and videos. And now you have to select any of your video and then you have to click on add to project. The interface of this application is very simple and easy. If you want to add any text, you just have to click on text and double tap on the text and you can add any text and you can even resize the text. If you want to add any music or audio, you can also do that. You just have to click on audio. Either you can make a voiceover or you can add any music. After editing, you just have to click on export to export your video. Now we'll talk about the second application, which is InShot application. You can also download and install from App Store. Click on allow and from here you have to select what you want to edit. Either you can edit video or photo. So we'll click on video and you have to select any random video. After adding the video, the interface of this application is also very simple and easy. You can add text, stickers, music, whatever you want to add. So we'll add some stickers, and if you want to make a voiceover or want to add any kind of music, you can do that also. You just have to click on music and from here either you can record your voice or you can add tracks from here. Once you will finish your editing, you just have to click on export tab and then you have to choose the quality of the video. You can choose up to 4K. You can save your video up to 4K with Ultra HD resolution and you have to click on save and the application will start rendering your video. Now we'll talk about the third video editing application, which is Splice. You can also download and install from App Store. So once you will open this application, you just have to click on new project and you have to allow this application to access your videos and photos and you have to select any random video. We'll select this one and then you have to click on next. Now you have to select your project name. Here you can edit your project name, whatever you want to keep. At the bottom you will see very important option, aspect ratio. You have to select your video orientation. So we'll keep the landscape 16:9. Click on create and then here you will see the Splice app editing dashboard. Here you will see the editing dashboard is very simple and easy. In the bottom you will see all the features. You can add text, audio and you can make overlay. And then if you want to add voiceover or music, you just have to click on music tab and here you will see the stock audio library. Otherwise you have to click on import music. You can add your own audio files and you just have to click on this export tab. It will start rendering your video. Now we'll talk about the fourth and very important application, which is Filmmaker Pro. You can download and install this application also from App Store. This application is quite similar to Video Leap. Now we'll talk about fifth and the last application, which is iMovie, which is the built-in application in iPhone and iPad. You can open this application. After opening the application, you just have to click on plus tab and you have to select whatever you want to prepare, either video or trailer. So we'll select video and now you have to choose any video and then you have to click on create movie. So here you can see our video is added. After adding your video to project, you have to click on settings icon and from here you can add a bunch of options. You can add soundtrack, fade in front, fade in out. So once you will finish your editing, you just have to click on done and then you can export and you can save this video to your phone gallery. So these are the top 5 free best video editing applications for iPhone and iPad. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.